guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to see how we can design a splash screen in Flutter project, in Flutter application. So to create a splash screen, when you will open your Android Studio, you will see this dialog box here and you will see this new Flutter project. So click on this new Flutter project and click on next. Now here let's give the name. So I'm giving name splash. You can give your own name whatever you want, and here in description or leave it as you want. You can give here learn splash screen. Now click on finish and it will create the project. As you can see on the screen, it's created and we have to wait little bit, and now as you can see it has been created. So here close this readme and open this folder, this splash folder which we have created right now. So here click on it and you will see all these things here. So open this lib main, double click on this main and let's make it like this. So here we have this main screen, main function, and if you know already, good and well. If you don't know, let me explain you. This is the main function in Flutter and our whole applications run from this main function. If we will not pass the application here, so our application will not run. So it is an entry point of our application in Flutter. This is the function we have to pass here our application. So come here and you will see this all command. Remove this and now come below and you will see these two classes here. Minimize this, another one, minimize. Now select both classes and press delete button. Now remove this comment and now here, and here you can see here we have this home and we are passing this page. Let's remove this and right here splash screen like this, and it's showing error because we don't have this file. So let's create this file first. So right click on this lib, new dot file, give name splash screen, enter. Now import material.art and here let's say stateful visit and give name splash screen, the same name which we are passing in our main function. As you can see here, this is the same spelling should be. Now click on this and import package, and as you can see error has gone and we have imported here this page we have imported here. Now here we need one image first of all. So let me open my folder. You can use your own image, whatever you want to display in the first page of your application in splash screen. So let me I have in my computer one image, this one. I will use this. So let's copy this. You can use your own image. The process to add image will be same as I'm doing here. So right click, copy, come to Android Studio. Now click on this splash folder here, right click, new and directory, give name here assets, press enter. Now you will see we have created this folder. So right click on this assets folder, new and directory again, and give the name of this folder images, press enter. Now right click on this image and paste the image which we have copied, appstore.png. okay, now we have pasted this here. Click on it. As you can see we have this image here. Now to use this image we have to open our pubspecs.yml, this file. As you can see here we have to add this here. You will come below and you will see these are the commented in this pubspecs.yml, this one here. Now to add images we have to uncomment this. So let's remove this hash and make this in this below of this hash. It should be in the same line as coming from above. You can see, don't give any space like this or like this, so it will not work. It should be below this hash here. Now uncomment this also, image, this one. So remove this hash, and this dash should be in the second word of this s. As you can see, ASS here. If you will give this or you will give space like this, it will not work. It should be in the second here, below this second word. And just remove this, right here, assets slash images slash. Now click on pubget, and it will add images folder in our this project. As you can see, it has been added successfully with exit code 0. Close this, close pubspec. Now get dependency, click on it again. Sometimes it's not, sometimes it's, so now ignore this from here. Now we have added. So let's design our this splash screen. So first of all, we have to create one function. Come here and let's see here, start timer, open brackets, open curly brackets. Inside here, let's say timer duration, again open brackets, and say seconds. How much second you want to display, you can pass here 4 comma and 2 curly brackets, then open like this. Click on this duration, add a const like this. Now put semicolon at the end. Inside this timer function here, we have to pass the screen where we want to send user. I mean, we will display this our splash screen, then after display for second, where we have to send, we have to pass here. So let's say here root, new root equals to material page root, and remove this builder and like this context, and equals greater than, and we have to send on home screen, which we will create right now, and put semicolon, and here navigator dot push context to new root and semicolon. And as you can see, this screen we don't have, so let's create this screen. So come here, lib, right click on lib, new dot file, let's give home screen, and import material dot, and after this state let's visit, and let's say home screen, the same name which we are passing in our splash screen here. And let's design this. So here let's return scaffold app bar title text visit, inside this welcome background colors dot, let's say black 54, let's say this, and let's style this text style colors dot redescent, and letter spacing will be 2, font size will be 20. Let's break this code like this and put here semicolon. This is the scaffold, here put semicolon, click on this text, add a const, click on this, add a const like this. Now we have designed our this. So come here, after this step, after this is app bar, here let's say body, and in the body we will provide a center visit, and inside this center we have child image, sorry not here, let's say child text, and text will be subscribe our channel, style text style decoration text decoration dot none, font size will be 20, and color will be, let's say, color dots blue accent. So now click on this text, add a const like this. So this will display in our home screen. So come here to splash screen here and click on this home screen, import this. As you can see, error has gone. Click again and add a const value here like this. Now here inside this container here, let's say color of this container will be colors dot, let's say which color will, let's say give, let's say white, no, and then child center. Inside the center child will be image dot assets, and our image is inside this assets folder, then images folder, and we have the name this app store, this one app store, same name should be here, app store dot png. That's all. And then after this function, this is the function, after this here init state, and after super state here let's pass this start timer function name and put semicolon, and come to the main, and here we have passed this splash screen. So now what will happen, and here let's title, change this title splash screen. So guys, let me explain you what I did here. First of all, we have created this splash screen, and here we are creating this timer function. So 4 second, this 4 second this image will display when our application will open, and then after that we are sending to the home screen. So after 4 seconds we will go this home screen, which is this one, and we will see this text on our home page after 4 seconds. So let's test the application and see it's working or not. So click on this run button, and no device connected, let me connect device. So I have connected my mobile. So now click on this run button, and as you can see it's starting dev tools. So we have to wait little bit, because when we run our project first time, so it takes little time in the first, in the second time it will not take much time. So when you will run your project first time, it will take little bit time, so we have to wait. And let's open our this emulator. This is our emulator, and then you will see this. So click on this here, install, and now this is our splash screen, and after 4 seconds we will go to home screen. As you can see, now after 4 seconds we are on this welcome screen. So click on again this run button, let's see it's working or not. Now this is the splash screen, 4 seconds, and now automatically we are on this home screen. So I hope you understand all this, and thank you guys for watching this video, and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you, bye bye.